So this project is the very first project that we've ever done a live edge wooden slide. And I say wooden slide as a caveat, that's faux wood. We absolutely loved building this. It was such a unique design. The project turned out great. We're very, very happy with it. We used epoxy for the slide, loved the slide. They got it purely to try and create some unique spot for their grandkids. That was the whole idea behind it. We actually pre-built that in shop, which was something a little different for us. We pre-made all the armatures and everything in pieces in the shop and then had to carry it down a steep set of steps. Job went pretty smooth. When we came, there was already an existing water feature made out of real rock, which looked bomb-proof, but still leaked. It wasn't engineered to handle a real rock feature. It was so heavy that it actually caved in. The whole reason why we do artificial rock next to a pool is that it's the only material that we believe is the right way to go. Artificial rock should always be the material of choice for pools. One thing I wanted to bring up was the fact that when we're designing these water features, oftentimes we're asked to retrofit an existing feature like on this one, where there was a defunct or non-functioning feature. And oftentimes the plumbing is actually buried in concrete, and a major expense saved can be leaving the same 1.5-inch line rather than upgrading to a 2 or 3 inch or even 4-inch on a bigger feature, and maintaining the pump that's in perfect working order. The only thing that we try and tell and let clients know is to expect that this isn't necessarily the water flow that we would suggest for the effect if we were starting from scratch. It's a major cost saving, so we totally understand why clients choose this, and it's something that we always offer to make sure that we can value engineer something for their budget. We're all welded in. Now we start adding panels. All right, panels are in. Just gonna continue those steps in. Make a few adjustments. Away we go. Okay, back in our Brantford job here.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. This. We should talk about this. We made him shave the man bun. It's okay. Like, it can't hurt us anymore. It's okay. On behalf of my family, I would like to apologize. Maybe we can just move on and watch the rest of the video. I know. It's distracting. But it's over.
Sorry, been a little out of it. I got a bout of COVID that took me off my feet for a week. But we're ready to get back at it. Gonna finish the fiber coat. Waterproof that slide. Waterproof our pooling. And hopefully we'll get wrapped up this week. We got a little bit of ways to go, but I'm pretty confident we'll get her done. Each of these bars needs to be wrapped tightly with lath all along, nice and tight, and then using the rubber-based gloves and making sure your wires are all poked in. You mix acrylic binder with the cement and you rub it on with your hands, coming up along the edges on all sides. Once that's fiber coated, then same process for finishing. All right, first look at the falls. Planning, it was very difficult to do to make it look right. So one of the big design choices was that it had to look like it was sitting on top of the rock. It had to be drifted onto it. So So I really want to hear from you guys. Do you think that the aesthetic was fun? Do you think grandkids would love this as well as the whole family? You let me know in the comments below. And make sure to tune in, because every single Monday we got a new project for you. We build all sorts of crazy things all over Canada. And what we have in store for you next, it will blow your minds.